We don't call it co-curricular or extracurricular. We call it additional learning programs, and it is well knit within the normal day-to-day schedule of a student. So we believe that these kind of additional learning programs, whether it's sports, music, arts, or in fact currently STEM, these are all programs which will help the students to reduce stress, to build certain skills like their social skills, communication skills, and also help them to give a direction or a purpose of fulfillment. So, as per the vision of the school, we feel that we should support each and every student in this, and that will help the child to even perform better in academics. So we have recently collaborated with one of the leading STEM programs from CREA Learning. So we call it STEAM, and in fact not STEM, because we believe that arts also is a part of this program. So science, technology, arts, math, and in future research coming in as well. CREA Learning has has a track record of 10 plus years, and they have produced about 2.5 million student innovators. So we believe that this collaboration will help our students, because they have helped us set up a maker space and a design lab where the students go and put in their innovation and thinking skills, and try to with the help of technology, try to provide solutions for the community. So recently, I would say that there was one of the student innovators from CREA who has produced a virtual feeling for blind students, where they can, actually experience the visit to India Gate. So we would love that our students also, understand the need of the society, and with the help of technology, create a positive change. You're absolutely correct. Sometimes also, there's a myth that when we talk about leadership, especially in schools, we just narrow it down to the school cabinet of head boy, head girl, prefects, sports captain, and all. Of course, I'm a strong advocate of school leadership program in terms of school cabinet, but we believe that this should not only be the way where you can grow or nurture a student's leadership skills. So we feel that every child should be a leader or a winner, and that's our vision. So be it sports, be it music, be it uh, any other area where we try to identify the strengths of the child, our teachers try to focus in nurturing those skills, and not always that someone who is a brilliant communicator is a leader. There could be a silent performer who can be a leader as well. So that is our motto, and we try to help them through all these facilities that we have. So I would first talk about the facilities that we have, because that tangible element will help us more to understand how, in terms of skills, these are helping our students. So we have an international level basketball court that we have in our campus. Along with that, we have two badminton courts. We do have a cricket net practice space and a pitch as well. And of course, a lot of things that are coming into being is the tracks, athletic tracks, football space, and of course certain sports like hockey is a national sport, but not all the schools in India would be giving facilities for that. So we are trying to bringing that aspect as well. And we have almost the Olympic size, swimming pool coming up. So these are the facilities that we have, and these definitely will help our students to pursue their varied interest. To add on to this, we also have skating ring. So we have a PE team, a very well, trained PE team who support our students to seek to gain the knowledge. But along with that, we also have professionals who help our students to, take that extra step through the after-school learning program that we have. And yeah, we are trying our best to give the best to our students as much as we can. I am personally very passionate towards music, and I feel that different forms of arts help the student to live the life to the fullest. So we have recently collaborated with the Torrance Group, which has its presence about in 150 plus countries, and going on. We provide instrumental music. So we currently offer keyboard and drums as options. We are also planning to bring in guitar in the list. And we also have collaborated with Kafka Academy. So where there are excellent trainers, these kind of professional institutions. So if you talk about Kafka for their Indian music, Indian dance form, I would say. So the curriculum is curated by none other than the disciple of Pandit Birju Maharaj. So we thought this collaboration would help our student to learn from the expertise of people they have. And we also have a spacious visual art studio where our students just love to enter into and, bring out their imagination there. See, when you talk about, knowledge, seeking knowledge, we have enough platforms. We don't need a teacher as such to come in and, intervene to bring in knowledge. Students can get it from multiple number of sources available ready, even online sources. But what happens is, anyone and everyone can get knowledge, but to build life skills, community service is a must. We are a section of society where we are privileged that we have certain facilities provided by our parents or our teachers, but there is a section of society which is not, well privileged enough. So to sensitize our students towards that, our chairperson, whom we lovingly call Amma, she is herself the chair of Civil 20 movement of the government. And we have recently collaborated with various other Amrita institutions, especially the university and UNESCO, where our students are running a program, awareness program on health and sanitation. They're also running awareness programs on gender equality. To add to this, Amma has also, raised this global seed campaign because we as humans have been destroying nature, and it's high time that we give it back in its original form. So our students are actively a part of that. Not only students, believe me, our parent community is equally supportive. So these programs, and of course, we feel these are life skills. So to build an individual, these are badly needed. And if we are able to contribute, even in the minutest form, I would say we will be able to make a positive change.